Pharero Academy, the learning channel for physics and mathematics. Please subscribe our channel, like it, and share it. I have to draw today the formula for sum of nth power of roots of an equation, of a polynomial equation. I will start from the quadratic equation. Suppose if I have a quadratic equation like this one, 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. I have to find its sum of nth roots. It will have two roots, alpha and beta. I denote Sn by alpha power n plus beta power n. Sum of nth power of roots is alpha power n plus beta power n. For example, if I say if it's S1, it should be alpha power 1 plus beta power 1. S2 will be alpha square plus beta square. S3 will be alpha cube plus beta cube. S0 will be alpha power 0 plus beta power 0. Or S0 in this case will be 1 plus 1 plus 1. It will always, in this case, is 2. S minus 1 will be alpha power minus 1 plus beta power minus 1, or it is 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. S minus 2 will be alpha power minus 2 plus beta power minus 2, or it will be 1 upon alpha square plus 1 upon beta square. This is the notation. Now let us find the general formula for this 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Let alpha and beta be its roots. Let alpha and beta be its roots. Now, when alpha and beta are its roots, I suppose Sn, I denote Sn by alpha power n plus beta power n. Now, this is 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. I am multiplying all this. Now, I am this one, 2x square. I am taking this equation, 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Multiplying by x power n. I multiplied by x power, this becomes 2x power n plus 2 plus 3x power n plus 1 plus x power n is equal to 0. If alpha is the root of this equation, alpha must be the root of this equation also. Since alpha is the root, so I can say 2 alpha power n plus 2 plus 3 alpha power n plus 1 plus alpha power n is equal to 0. Similarly, beta is a root, so I can say 2 beta power n plus 2 plus 3 beta power n plus 1 plus beta power n is equal to 0. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. I will add equation 1 and 2. When I add, I can have 2 here common. 2 common, I can say this alpha power n plus 2 plus beta power n plus 2 plus this 3 is common. This will be alpha power n plus 1 plus beta power n plus 1 and plus this is alpha power n plus beta power n is equal to 0. Now this is Sn plus 2. I can say this 2Sn plus 2 plus 3Sn plus 1 and plus this is Sn is equal to 0. So this is the formula. What is the easiest way of writing this one? See, whatever the equation is, if you are given this equation, 2x square plus it is 2x square plus 3x plus 1. You know it's 1, so you can write 2x square plus 3x plus it is 1x power 0 is equal to 0. Now, whereas x square you can write s and just its subscript must be n with it 1. So if it's 2x square, you can write 2sn plus 2 plus this 3 and this is just write s, this power is 1, it will be n plus 1 plus this is just what n 0 plus n is Sn, so it will be Sn is equal to 0. So you can obtain, suppose if you have this equation 4x cubed minus 3x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. How I can write this Sn form? I can say 4Sn plus 3 minus 3Sn plus 2 plus 2Sn plus 1 minus 3Sn is equal to 0. I can even prove this thing. For example, I can say if I have a quadratic equation like this one, 2x power 4 minus 3x cubed plus 4x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. If this is the equation, I can write it. Suppose this will be in general way, I can just write in one go as it is. I can add and write Sn plus 4 minus 3Sn plus 3 plus 4Sn plus 2 minus 7Sn plus 1 plus 6Sn is equal to 0. I can prove this formula from this one. Suppose if I have to ask to prove that this one, suppose the 2x power 4 minus 3x cubed plus 4x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. I can multiply all terms by, I can prove this, multiply all terms by x power n. So this will be 2x power n plus 4 minus 3x power n plus 3 plus 4 x power n plus 2 minus 7x power n plus 1 plus 6x power n is equal to 0. Since alpha is the root, so it must satisfy this equation. So I can say it's 2 alpha power n plus 4 minus 3 alpha power n plus 3 plus 4 alpha power n plus 2 minus 7 alpha power n plus 1 plus 6 alpha power n is equal to 0. If beta is a root, I can say 2 beta power n plus 4 minus 3 beta power n plus 3 plus 4 beta power n plus 2 minus 7 beta power n plus 1 plus 6 beta power n is equal to 0. Since gamma is a root, I can say 2 gamma power n plus 4 minus 3 gamma power n plus 3 plus 4 gamma power n plus 2 minus 7 gamma power n plus 1 plus 6 gamma power n is equal to 0. Delta is a root, I can say 2 delta power n plus 4 minus 3 delta power n plus 3 plus 4 delta power n plus 2 minus 7 delta power n plus 1 plus 6 delta power n is equal to 0. Add all these. If I add this, I can say this is 2 and this one. Alpha power n, I can say it is alpha power n plus 4 plus beta power n plus 4 plus gamma power n plus 4 plus delta power n plus 4 minus 3. I can say alpha power n plus 3 plus beta power n plus 3 plus gamma power n plus 3 and plus minus 3 is common, so delta power n plus 3. Then plus 4 is common. This will be alpha power n plus 2 plus beta power n plus 2 plus gamma power n plus 2 plus delta power n plus 2 over. Then minus 7 is common. I can write it here. Minus 7 is common. This will be alpha power n plus 1 plus beta power n plus 1 plus gamma power n plus 1 plus delta power n plus 1 and plus 6. Then it's alpha power n plus beta power n plus gamma power n plus delta power n is equal to 0. This is clearly, I can say, 2Sn plus 4 minus 3Sn plus 3 plus 4Sn plus 2 minus 7Sn plus 1 plus 6Sn is equal to 0. So that is the formula we have established. So in this way we can, in my next lecture, I will tell you how to use this formula and find the different